What's the meaning of bottleful? Bottleful. Bottleful.
Bottleful. Bottleful. The term bottleful refers to the amount of liquid that a bottle can hold. It is a noun that describes the quantity of liquid that has been contained within a specific bottle. The exact measurement of a bottleful may vary depending on the size and type of the bottle. A bottleful is typically used as a unit of measurement for liquids such as water, soda, juice, or alcohol. It can be expressed in different units like ounces, milliliters, or liters. In summary, bottleful simply refers to the volume of liquid that a particular bottle can hold.